That's Brittany Ford. She's third in the points. And Steve Torrence, a brand new chassis out of the Morgan Lucas chassis shop for Cap Contractors. Okay, Cap Contact or something like that. Will all their work pay off in 20 more points in the championship chase? Brittany Ford certainly hopes not. Hi, Steve. Fire down there. Steve blew up. That's fine. We'll just knock it over the start. Big fire down there for Steve. Hi, Steve.
What was your reaction of that? Crazy.
Crazy.
Heck yeah. Evan, you feel the heat?
Yeah. God, I suck at filming. I totally know.
I am so glad we moved here just for that. Wait, did you seriously not get it?
I watch. You just see like 5